staple food in many Indian households during winters, til and gur together can make for some healthy, delicious and of course guilt-free sweets. Hello and welcome to Flavors of Happiness, the Instant Corner. Today is a Makar Sankranti special episode and we are going to make the good old-fashioned til ke laddu that can be prepared in very less time with just a few ingredients. So let's get started. To make til ke laddu, take a frying pan and add 1 cup of sesame seeds, that is til. Heat it up on low flame and keep stirring it. After dry roasting it for 6 to 8 minutes, the sesame seeds will start changing color. Then switch off the flame and transfer it into a blender jar. Let it cool down a bit. After that, grind it just for 6 to 7 seconds into a coarse powder. Keep it aside. In the previously used frying pan, heat up 2 tablespoons of ghee. Then add 3/4 cup of jaggery. Mix it well with the ghee. Now add 2 tablespoons of water. Keep stirring it, making sure that the jaggery completely melts. In a few minutes, the mixture will start bubbling up. Keep stirring and cooking the mixture for another 5 minutes. Now to check if the jaggery mixture is ready, we will do the water test. So add a drop of the mixture into a bowl of water. As you can see, the jaggery has settled in the water. It means it's ready. So add the powdered sesame seeds and 1/4 teaspoon of crushed cardamom. I have removed the shells. Mix it well with the jaggery mixture and switch off the flame. Now while the pan is still hot, keep stirring and cooking the mixture till it starts coming together like this. This should take you another 6 to 7 minutes. Laddu mixture is ready. Transfer it into a plate. We need to make the laddus while the mixture is still hot, so grease your hands with a bit of ghee. Alternatively, you can also apply a bit of water in your palms if the mixture is too hot to handle. Now take little quantity of the mixture in your hand and roll it into a round shape. I'll show you another one. Laddus are done. Let them cool down completely before serving. Healthy and nutritious til laddus are ready to be served. Do try this recipe this Makar Sankranti and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.